So hello guys, in today's video I want to go through how I made $300 today trading the Nasdaq. So coming into the day I was pretty bullish because we did inverse this 4 hour to the upside and we did hold these 4 hour here, and I wanted to see longs to this unfilled new week opening gap up there. Today was pretty rough for me emotionally because I missed a pretty huge trade. So yeah, let me go through it. So at market open, we started to dump and we created an SMT with ES here with these lows. So I was like, great, we might get those lows on NQ2, but if we can get a reaction on the 1 hour gap and the 15 minute, I want to see longs. And then here was this 3 minute perfectly inversed, but I did not expect it to inverse, so I did not calculate my positions and anything because we had like 40-point candles, 50-point candles here, and here it just went up like 80 points, and I did not expect that, and I missed out on this long, but the normal NQ, like the mini NQ, did not inverse the 3 minute, so I guess it's okay. I was fuming a little bit. It was pretty frustrating to miss this huge move, and I was like, okay, if we can get some sort of retracement to this 5 minute gap, I will look for longs. And after that, we came down the 5 minute and we created this. We touched the equilibrium too, and we created this 1 minute gap here, which I wanted to see get inversed, and it did get inversed pretty quickly, and I took a long here, and I wanted to target this high, and I got break even. Why? Because my break even was here. We had the unfilled 5 minute here, so I wanted to play it safe. So it did hit the 5 minute gap, and we came back down, stopped me out at break even, then went up, and I wanted to re-enter on the 5 minute. And this was frustrating too because we just couldn't close about this 5 minute, and we came up. I was like, okay, we had like 5 seconds until this candle closed. We were like here, right here, like, and the last 5 seconds we just came back down and did not inverse it. Then we came up a little bit and came down, then came up. The last 5 seconds was up here, and then we came down again, and then the next candle inversed it like up here, so it was pretty bad, but I was pretty confident in this high, and we had a equal high with that too here, so I was pretty confident in this, and I was like, okay, if NQ or ES take this high, I will go break even, and I did that. ES took the high before NQ, I did go break even, and we just started to rip higher, and it was bad because I targeted this 1 hour here. I was like, okay, we will hit this easily, but then we started to chop, chop, chop. We created a 5 minute. We came back into the 5 minute. I was like, okay, if we can get a reaction out of this 5 minute and get this high, I will trail my stop to this low, because in my opinion, if we take out this low, we will take out all of this low resistance liquidity, and we did that, and the trade took me out right here at 9.99. Here I trail my stop, and we almost came back down to break even, and I was trying to avoid break even because I have so little, like, I don't have many trades in the past few weeks, but all of my trades which I take end up working, at least at the point. Uh, I had like 7 trades and I won 6 of them. But the problem is that I have pretty bad RRs on these trades. And this was like 0.6 R, pretty bad because of the trail. It would have got TP, but it it can come back to break even, because we just ripped high a lot, and it can come back to 50% and take me out. So I was like pretty, like, I didn't want to get break even up here when I was sitting in big profit. So I just traded here. It was like $100 per account. So I made $300. It could have been better. I could have made double that, but it's okay. I mean, yeah. And this was my final target. It got hit. I got stopped here, but it's okay. I made money. I did not lose anything. So I'm happy with that. And I hope you guys took a win too. And I hope you guys learned something from this breakdown. And I will see you guys in the next one.